Hey guys, welcome to this video. And in this video we're just doing something chill, and I just came across this stunning video of NVIDIA related to AI. So I just wanted to make a small video on this so that in case you guys have missed it, you guys should just check it out how crazy technology is advancing. So uh, for giving you context, first we'll look at the leader in AI robotics, that is Boston Dynamics. So if you don't know this channel, it has a lot of videos on how they are developing their robots. So without wasting much time, let's just check this video out so that it kind of gives you a context on how much development is happening. As Boston Dynamics is one of the top robotic agents, right? So let's just watch this video on how it can, walk, run, crawl. And then I was really stunned by how NVIDIA just launched their new robotics robots. So let's just watch this one. So here they're showing like a clip of how the robot is walking, right? Then it's another clip of how it's running. So you can see that in general, like basically how good it is getting, right? Like one of the things which I do notice is that they need flat surface probably for this. If it is on a rugged terrain, probably it wouldn't be able to do it this well. But even still, right? Like imagine, like all those game animations which you see are now coming into like the reality in a very literal sense. So this is what it is. Oh, it can even do this. Okay, shit. Even I can't do that. Okay. Yeah, so you can see how pretty advanced it is, and this kind of gives you like an idea, right, of how advanced it is. And now I just want to show you this clip which I just video which I just saw, and it starts right from here. And I was really surprised at how good it is getting at this thing. So just watch, make sure that you watch this clip. It is like really stunning how they demonstrated this. So make sure that you watch this clip till the end. It's really stunning how they've demonstrated it.
Tell me that wasn't amazing! Hey Luke, how are you doing? How do you like your new physics engine? You like it, huh? Yeah, I bet. I know. Tactile feedback, rigid body, soft body simulation, super real time. Can you imagine just now what you were looking at is complete real-time simulation? This is how we're going to train robots in the future. Just so you know, Blue has two NVIDIA computers inside. Look how smart you are.
So guys, I'm not going to show the full video right here, but you get the idea, right? Like if you see like how it moves its head and how that whole simulation was actually a real simulation. Like I really felt it was just a video from internet, but when it walked out, I was really stunned at really how advanced this robot looks. So yeah, guys, you can. I'll put the links of this video on the internet, so you guys can watch it. You can go in the description and watch it. So I really found this a very interesting video, so I just thought I'd share it with you guys as well.